guys, just a quick overview of this rear fender I took off of my 69 AT1. I'm really stoked about this, you guys. There is maybe a pinch full of rust there, but the basic single ding on it is right there. You can barely even tell. That's going to be able to be popped out and polished really easily. Super stoked about the condition of this because on line they are selling from about $60 and up for anything that's in good condition. One thing that I noticed on it is that there is some kind of banged up spots here around this ring. I might be able to take it to a machine shop and just see if they can fix that there for me. The one downside about it is there's a significant amount of rust on this baby, but at the same time it's not bad at all. It's a little bit darker there because I sprayed a little bit of oil to get that bitch of a screw out right there. So anyway, it does have the original casing here that's metal. This is going to need fixed up a little bit here too. But there's that, and then I also have the extension, the rubber extension that comes off this end here. It is soaking currently, but I do have it. It's in great shape. And so anyway, I just wanted to catch you guys up on that. We're gonna have to replace some original screws on here, but man, otherwise I'm really stoked. This thing could have costed a lot of money to replace, but I think we're in great working order. All right, later.